friends, welcome to my Bonbonina channel. Today I am making second cooking video. My first video was in my first video I was making borscht. It came out a little too long, but I really wanted to show you everything, every little detail, step by step, how do I make it. So today is a very fast video. Today I'm making salad, but a little history. So this salad is very popular in Russia. It's vegetarian, it's only vegetables in it, and it has a little history, because if I say name vinaigrette, you will say, what? It's a sauce. Yes, well, in 19th century, when this idea of the salad came to Russia from Scandinavian countries, they named dishes by the name of the sauce. So we had a few dishes named mayonnaise from fish, or mayonnaise from chicken, something like that. So this salad was made with vinegar and oil, so vinaigrette, and they called the salad a vinaigrette. So that's a little history for you. Now for the salad, very easy. So I have here boiled potato, cooked potato, carrot and beets. Also you will need peas, marinated or brined pickles, and sauerkraut. It's not necessarily you can add it, you don't have to add it. Also onion. I'm not eating onion today, but you can add some sweet onion, some red onion. The most important part for this salad is oil. You can add, well, you can you can do the olive oil and balsamic vinegar mix, and it's gonna taste great, but traditionally you have to use unrefined sunflower oil. It's so delicious, and for me it's so traditional, and you can buy it in any Russian, Polish, Ukrainian store. It smells so good. You can't cook in using this oil, but for the salad, amazing, and it's healthy in little quantities. Alright, so very simple. Now I'm going to cut all my vegetables in small cubes. I always cut my beets the last, because they're a little messy. So now I'm cutting my beets. I love beets. They're sweet, they're healthy, they're good for you. I can eat them just like that. And again, in this salad, I am not going to put down recipe, just list of vegetables, because you can choose how many beets do you want, how many carrots. I love when there's lots of beets. So it's red and beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to wash my hands and I'm going to wash my knife. Pickles. Same thing, we're cutting them in approximately same size cubes. Or not cubes, but you know what I mean. And this adds like a zesty flavor to the salad, and also is salt. Now what's left? Peas and cabbage. So I'm going to add cabbage. Just see. I think that's good. Yeah, that's enough. Okay. So, and this is it. It's ready basically. I've got this big bowl because I thought I can mix it in here. No, I need a big bowl. Yes. So you can put some salt in your salad, but don't forget you have pickles in there and you have sauerkraut in there. It's already lots, like it's already some salt in there, so just a little bit. And pepper. Okay, and now I'm moving all these beautiful vegetables to my big bowl. Now peas. Now we mix it. I'm not going to make vinaigrette sauce because it's just oil and it's good. But you can, like I said, it's very versatile. About 2 tablespoons, I think. So, you would think I had a lot of beets. Look at that. They almost like no beets in there. I mixed it. It's ready. This is it. Very short video. And now I want to try it because this is my favorite salad. And me and my daughter will love it. I need to get everything: potato, carrot, pickle, beets. Very good. It's so good, and like I said, it's vegetarian. It's healthy. You can eat it all year round. You can eat it instead of dinner or lunch. So, and it's like, I don't know, there is nothing bad about this salad. It's all good. Okay, I hope you'll find this video interesting. I hope you will subscribe, put your thumbs up, and stay tuned. And next time I'll make something yummy for you. Alright, see you later.